Let me save you another hour of cooking stew with this vegetable sauce that goes with virtually rice, plantain, yams, so on and so forth, right? I have been making this sauce since I was in uni, and I think it's right to share it with you. This would not take you up to 30 minutes to make. Now let's dive into the video. First things first, you have your long sweet peppers, your pepperonis, and these are the things you're gonna chop, and this is the part of making the sauce that takes the longest. Just chop it up. I guarantee that you're going to make this in max 30 minutes. The cook time is relatively very short. So, your spinach, it's very important for you to blanch it. If you blanch your spinach, you would not end up overcooking it. In the case where you do not have fresh spinach like I do here, and you have the frozen one, just make sure you run some warm water or even hot water, put the frozen spinach in a sieve, and then let that sieve sit in the hot water or hot bowl. That will thaw the spinach, number one, and number two, help to blanch it a little. You can see that my spinach, I was running hot water on it, and it's just going to sit for about 2 minutes. I'm going to take it out and then I would strain. But at the moment, I'm chopping up my peppers, cleaning up after myself, always very important, and then getting my aromatics ready. Onions, very important. And I believe in this meal, I didn't show it here. I also added some fresh scotch bonnets for some heat, right? I really like my food not just, savory, but for it to taste a bit spicy. To be honest with you, on this day, I had cooked a lot, done a lot of activities at home. I believe I even went shopping, so I was tired and I just wanted to make dinner that was quick, that everyone could eat and be satisfied. So, did I remember this recipe? Oh, my good uni days. I learned this recipe from a friend. She taught me how to make this spinach sauce. Very simple, very budget friendly. If you're on a budget, even if you're not on a budget and you just want something that works, it really works. Make sure you squeeze out the excess liquid from your spinach. If you don't want to have a runny sauce, make sure that you take out all the excess, water. It helps your spinach sauce to come out very nice and also to hold flavor. So here I had chopped up my plantains. I'm gonna boil that for about 15 minutes. And on the side, you're going to also do your vegetable sauce. This literally doesn't take time. You just need to put everything together and let it combine. First things first, once your oil is in your pot and your onions are placed into the pan, put some salt. Trust me on this. This will help to sweat down your onion and help it to release its flavors with milk boning, and also it quickens get the process of making the onion translucent. Next thing I do here is I put my tuna in. This is tuna in water just to cut down on the calories, and then I also use mackerel fish that is in the tin. Do you not want to use this type of things? Make sure to have your fish ready, and you can either have put in the air fryer, or also another way to do your fish if you have fresh fish on hand is to pan fry it and then build the flavors with the onion and then the peppers. This doesn't take time. In about 5 minutes, you should have your peppers cooked, and then you're throwing back your spinach into the mix. Spinach is already cooked, so make sure you don't cook it again. Mix this for about a minute, let it sit together, and then this vegetable sauce is ready. On nights when you don't know what to cook, this is a lifesaver. Don't say I didn't do anything for you, because I want to always on this channel provide you with options that your mind might have not thought about on how to incorporate healthy things into your diet. But also, I'm someone that I really, really do not like spending hours in the kitchen. Of course, if it's necessary, I will do it. But if it can be avoided, I would avoid it. But I just want to make sure that I'm eating healthy and my family as well is eating healthy. See, plantains are ready. Let's serve this up. So we're gonna put the plantains on the plate. If you want more, add more. I think I added about 3 plantains, and then I served it with my spinach pepperoni fish sauce. And this was so yummy. I was editing this video, my husband saw this and I was like, I really enjoyed that vegetable sauce. So it was nice. Take it from me. Cook it, try it out. Not only is it tasty, it's also very healthy. Now, do you know someone that is struggling to cook, or you want to learn how to cook, but you just don't know where to start? This is a good place to start. Please be sure to like, share, comment on this video, and I will see you next week. Just see how I'm enjoying this sauce. This can be you, and it should be you this week. Don't only make sauces that require you to spend hours in the kitchen. You can also make this for your family, and everyone would tell you that it's finger licking good. Till next time, bye bye.